everyone, Elvira here. I wanted to show you a marinade for chicken legs that we're going to do. And there's 11 chicken legs there. And I already washed them. I always rinse my meat off because they go in the package and stuff. And so what we're going to do is, wipe your hands. And get the tablespoon measuring spoons. This is a yummy one. I've taken it into the gym before, and some of the let people try it, and they really liked it. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're just going to shake it like that. Make sure. Turn them over. That. Same with the pepper. Garlic powder. I'm not sure if I'm going to bake these yet, or if I'm going to put them in a crock pot. I'll figure that out tomorrow. So you don't really measure on this because you just want it to have good flavor. And that's the key to always, like this, I just... For the Italian seasoning, you're not gonna... Just gonna shake it around. Use the garlic powder. You're gonna use some rosemary. The rosemary, you're just gonna go like that. Just a little bit. Some thyme. Again, on the thyme, you're just gonna go like that. Because you don't want a lot. It's got a strong flavor. Accent. Same with the accent. I'm just gonna... Yeah, mix them up real good. Hungarian paprika. You can tell the smell coming from, it's got a good aroma, and that's what you want. You want to have these having a really good aroma. And then you just mix them like that. Okay. Let me wash my hands, and then we'll keep on rolling. As much as I wash my hands and stuff every day, my hands have gotten to the point where they get so raw. And I'll be so glad to go back to work at the gym next month, hopefully. But I've been keeping up on my workouts because it's very, very important. So, then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Two tablespoons of A1. And 1 tablespoon of garlic expressions. Now, here's what we're going to do. This is when your hands get icky. I just get it in there. Just gonna mix them up. You want to get them mixed good because you want them coated. I just keep mixing and mixing and mixing because you want these coated good. Because you want a really good marinade on them, because you want them to be flavorful. So, looks like they're good. See? Now, mix my hands. We're going to put them in a bowl and put them in the refrigerator. And we're going to leave them marinate overnight, 24 hours. Show what they look like. That's what they look like. And then I just put a lid on them, put them in the refrigerator. We're gonna leave them marinate for 24 hours, like that. Stick them in the refrigerator, and then we'll pull them out in 24 hours and we'll make them. And it's got a really good flavor. I've made them in the crock pot. I've baked them before, so I'm just not sure which way I want to do it. I wanted to share this recipe because I had taken it to the gym once, and the trainers fell in love with it. A couple people had tried it, and they're like, oh my God, these are so good, you should mark them. So I thought I'd share the recipe with all you guys, so that, and ladies, so that you guys could use it. Because everybody's being home, I think, with this pandemic and stuff, I think people are finding out that, you know, cooking is about love. And being able to make home-cooked meals. And I think that's one thing that we've got lost in the last 8 years, you know, and then the last 4 years we've gotten God back. And I think God has really showed us that, you know, cooking's about love and eating healthy and stuff like that. And that's what it's all about. And so I will see you tomorrow with the things for we're going to do with it to make the marinades. They marinate for 24 hours. I will see you guys tomorrow, and ladies, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. God bless everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy. Love you all. Bye.